If you don't know about this strategy yet, or worse, haven't heard of it, you are losing thousands of dollars every month. In this video, I will show you a brilliant strategy, the breakout box strategy that will increase your income by as much as 20 to 30%. But before we move on, make sure to subscribe this channel and click the bell to be the first to learn about trading tips. Let's begin. So who's this strategy is for? Basically, it's for everyone. Even if you are a beginner, you can use this strategy. All you need to know is how to open positions, set stop loss, how to set limit orders. That's it. You don't need any other knowledge. It's very, very simple. Let me explain. All you need to do is mark on the chart box, okay? The highest and the lowest point between Euro opening session, 8 a.m. UTC plus 2 and 8:30. Okay, set the highest point and the lowest point, and all you need to do is to set pending order. After 8:30 you can set your order over here, buy stop order, with the stop loss in this place, and take profit 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. So this is gonna be your stop loss, take profit number 1, take profit number 2. Okay, easy. But you need to do the same on the other side. So if you're gonna set buy stop order on this side, you need to set sell stop on the other side. With the stop loss on the other side of the box, and take profit 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. It's up to you. Okay, so after 8:30 the price should break through this box. Okay, so it should break through the highest point of the box or the lowest point of the box. Let's say the price will go up. If this order will activate, you need to remove the other order and wait for your take profit. That's it, guys. Nothing else. Let me show you this on the chart. So this is EURUSD, okay? It's working very well on EURUSD, but also you can check other currency pairs because this box is working in different hours on different assets, okay? It's working perfectly on US 500, so check it out. If you got trading view, you can set this box manually using rectangle, okay? But also you can click on indicators and just tap in sessions from Lux Algo, okay? This indicator right here. Okay, if you got this indicator, just go into the settings and set 8:30, okay? Over here I got UTC plus 2. So if you want to have the same settings as me, just put UTC plus 2. And over here 8 and 8:30. That's it. All right, let's check it out. Okay, over here you can see Euro session start. Hey, we got 8 a.m. So we need 6 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the last candle. So over here, we're gonna have 8:30. So now when this candle is gonna finish, we can set pending order, okay? So we're gonna set one side over here. You can do 1 pips above box. Stop loss on the other side and take profit. Let's do 1 to 1 for now, okay? So 1 to 1, and we can set the other side as well. Sell stop order with the stop loss on the other side of the box. Okay, and depends which order is gonna activate first. We're gonna remove the other one, okay? Buy stop has been activated. We got full take profit. All we need to do is just to remove this order. Okay, let's check another day. 20. Okay, we got another day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 a.m. We are a bit late. Okay, so we got box, okay? 8 till 8:30. 6 candles. So over here we should set pending order with stop loss on the other side. Let's check it out. Boom, take profit, easy. Quick profits usually takes like 10, 15, 30 minutes, okay? Let's check another day. Guys, it's happening every single day. Of course, sometimes you will get some losses because it's normal, okay? So we got box starting at 8. Order should be set over here with stop loss on the other side. 1 to 1. Boom. quick profit. Next, let's check another day. So all you need to do is just sit at the chart at specific time and set your pending orders. That's it, and just wait for take profit. Of course, remember that you need to remove the other position, okay, if one is activated. So another day. Over here, like you can see, probably stop loss, because if this order would be activated, for sure it would be stop loss, okay? That's fine. Let's go check another day. 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3 candles, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We can set one order on this side. And the other one on the other side. Okay. Boom, take profit. Very quick. 10, 20, 25 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes, okay. Okay, let's check one more day. And we can check current week, basically. Because this week and last week was pretty good. Okay, over here we should have position right here. With stop loss over there. And 1-to-1. Boom, take profit, guys. All right, let's check current week and previous week, because I think it's pretty good. So let's jump into the current situation. Today is stop loss, okay? Position over here, and for sure it was stop loss. 100%. Okay, that's fine. Let's check previous day. Right here, take profit. Good. Let's check previous day. Over here, I'm pretty sure you can see that. Take profit also. Okay, another day. Take profit. So basically it's happening every single day, not only on EURUSD. EURUSD is working perfectly, but also check indices like US 500, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and check also different times like US session. If you want to learn more about most effective trading strategies, such as the one we discussed today, be sure to sign up for a free webinar. You can find the link in bio.